Hello everyone and welcome to How to Everything. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Siri voice. So this can do on your iPad or on your iPhone, but for this example I will be using my iPad Pro. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your settings app. If you have that on your home screen you can click it down there, or you can go over here and find settings here or search for it if you still can't find it. Next you're going to go onto the side list down here and you're going to click Apple Intelligence and Siri. Next you can see here it says voice British (1). You can click that. Yours may not say British voice 1, yours may say American or Australian or a varied amount of other voices. At the moment there aren't many voices available just due to the feature being new with the new AI voices, but this is where you can change it. So you can select any of these.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as
The colors of the sky fade with
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
And then you can also change it to American.
The colors
for
of the
example.
sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
And yeah, so that's how you change the voice on the new iOS with the new Apple Intelligence. Hope this helped, and see you in the next one. Like and subscribe.